Hey, hey. Give me a moment. Let's do a tweet. Hey, I'm almost set. Give me a moment. Can you hear me? Oh, no. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We are almost done. Don't hesitate to tell me if you have like sound issues. Nice. Good morning. It's the morning for you too. Wait. Can I see that here? Can I see that here? Okay, 16 people. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I will also push it on, post it on Discord. Where is Discord? It's there. Merci Maxime. Yeah, I did some chat and stuff on the screen. I don't know if it's a good idea. We'll see. Okay, let's go. Without waiting. We had to finish. Ah, yeah, the camera. Yeah, let's do some camera movement. We will keep the orbit control. Oh, my computer is so slow. What is happening? Maybe I can close some apps. Yeah, let's close this one. Let's close this one. And yeah, I can keep this one. Okay, I hope it will be better. Coucou, what have you used? Streamlabs? No, I'm using OBS, but I've used the Streamlabs notification on OBS, which you can do because it's just like web on top of it. You have a YouTube channel? Not yet. I mean, I have one, but I'm not using it, but I will post the videos on that YouTube channel at a point. Yeah, I know. It's not even 60 days for me. It's even less because I'm not like affiliate. Perfect. Which Mac are you using? Not the last one. It's a one from 2 years ago, 2019. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so slow. What's happening? I don't think I can code like that. Let me try to improve that. Okay, I will remove Discord. I will remove Spotify. I'm hoping it will get better soon. Let me find a way to ventilate the Mac. Yeah, I need some solutions for that. I will stream from my PC, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's try. I think it will get better with time. So yeah, let's animate the camera. I think I would just do like, as I said earlier, like a position. Few seconds later, there's a fade to black. Another position, then another position. I think it's a good idea. Let's do that. So first, we need to get rid of the orbit controls. Actually, let's rename it because I don't like to just name it controls. because you can have like so many different controls. And comment it. Okay, so now we have a fixed camera. Yeah. Which is actually already cool. Yeah, I like this view. We will test some different views. Let's choose, I don't know, maybe 3 different views. I know what I can do. Yeah, let's add the console so that there is less to render for the WebGL part. So yeah, actually I'm going to write down the different positions. Can I access to the camera from here? No, I can't. There's a scope, which is a bit bothering for me. I can add it to the window. Like that. Yeah, I know it's ugly. Camera position, yeah. I need to fix the rotation too, to change the order. Rotation, reorder, I guess. Yeah. Y, X, Z. Okay, that's fine. Actually, I do like this one. We can have one from the top. One like this. Oh, and we will have to play with the focus too. Or one like this, obviously. Oh yeah, like this. Okay, let's write them down. I don't know how we are going to use them, but we will use them. So coordinates, cons camera coordinates. We need to play with the focus too. Oh, it's weird. Actually, it's accurate. Weird, but accurate. Should we put it like in the center? Ah, there's a strange thing happening here. Maybe I did something wrong with the focus. Yeah, it's not my choice. The font is, it's actually in the README file, you can get it. It's ailerons, I don't know exactly how do you say it. Here you go. Son ancien prof faire des lives. N'est-ce pas? Command while clicking the link to your portfolio, the sound starts automatically. The sound? There is sound. Ah, the sound from my portfolio. Yeah. Oh, it's not that much of a bug. Okay, so I like this view. Maybe in bigger screen we can see it more clearly. Yeah, like that is fine. I will keep it small. Okay, camera position, and we will take those. Camera. Oh, position. We need to add the focus. So it's 2.14. Should we play with the other values? I don't think so. Maybe we'll get strange result if we do so. Yeah, no, let's keep those by default. Let's try to keep those by default. So this is the first coordinate. I need the rotation too. Rotation, and I don't think the Z should change. Yeah, that's it. So it's only on the X and Y. Oops. X, Y. Oh, this is probably MathPy, so let's put MathPy here. And this might be MathPy divided by 2. No. No. Ouais, on va avoir des problèmes. No, let's keep this value. I know it's close to MathPy divided by 2, but it's not, so let's keep this value. This looks like 0. Let's put 0. This should be fine, and this should be fine. All right, so if we use those coordinates on the camera, so camera position set, no copy. I can do like the first element because there is only one dot position. We don't see it 3D in some point of view. Yeah, exactly. Actually, I think it does the trick there. Like you don't know it's 3D. Maybe we should start there from this view that looks like it's 2D and bam, you can see that it's 3D. I don't know, we see. So we copy this one, rotation, we copy, we need it to stay to 0. We will have trouble if we don't. We set the rotation to. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just saw it. Sorry. You go to Ethic next year? But I'm not at Ethic anymore. It's been a year. How can I claquer mon prime? What's that? Set from matrix rotation. Oh, it doesn't like it. No order. Why? X, Y, Z, so it's Euler. I don't think you can copy Euler like that. Yeah, we just change the values. Euler are so complicated. It's all about the order. Now it should fix it, please. Okay, nice. And then we can play with the focus, but the focus is probably a bit later. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we will change this one later. It's more like view. Yeah, let's add some other code parts. It's going to be the view. We're going to have view settings. It's not just the camera, that's why. We can put that here and put that at the end. It's gonna be easy, I guess. I just need to do the hardest part is doing 7 days, but it's fine. Okay, so we have one here. I guess it's working. Let's change the focus too. So bokeh pass. It's not that easy because it has to be on the uniform. Yeah.
And a writer, I'm looking for somebody who brings everything to the table.
Ask music without voice, and we have voice. Oh, partner, I'm not sure. Like 70. The average 70, I think it's way too hard. Let me check. Average 70, I think it's way too hard. Oh, actually, we are almost 70. Well, that's nice. Oh, by the way. Please? Yeah. Check this little boy. I might have to walk him at a point. It's not mine. It's a dog I'm keeping. He likes people. Say hi. It's ASMR. ASMR. Oh my boy. Good boy. Yeah, much. Yeah, we could at a point. So, Okay, let's find some other views. Thanks. I might change soon. I like to have one like this. Maybe not too close. Just close enough. Yeah, maybe like that. One point one. So here's another one. One point one. Here's the values. Rotation. Wesh. Qui est? Non, calme-toi. I said 1.1. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, let's test. Oh, cool. The dog is Reese. Okay, didn't hear. R-E-E-S-E. Okay, so here's the second one. Let me check. Yeah, working fine. I wanted one on the side, but with some depth. Maybe... Oh, one like that is fine too, I guess. Yeah, we will animate the focus so that it changes like lives on a sinus. We need movement. I don't like those. Maybe we can just lower it a bit like that. Yeah, okay. Position, rotation. Good boy, good boy, good boy. So many followers. Thank you so much. This one is gonna be like that. That. And this is 0. Yeah, see that number? It's a trap. This is 0. I mean, it's very, very close to 0. And the focus has to be 1.36. All right, then I need one, maybe like this. Not a big fan. I like the fact that it's going toward us. Is it better if it's... Yeah, toward us is better, I guess. Maybe lower like this. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. And the focus... Oh, the focus can stay over here. Let's put 1.30 maybe. Yeah, boy. I don't know if you can hear the dog, but he's doing like big noises. It's a mixed breed. Like there's so many breeds. French Bulldog. It's a Cavalier King Charles. Carlin. Yeah, it's probably not like that in English. Yeah, boy. So it's not that interesting right now, but we will do some animation right after. Oh no, this is 0. Okay, I think I will stop there because it's taking way too long. Let's just make sure that every one of them is working. It's not. I forgot. Yeah, 0 here. No, underscore. Okay, that's better. Yeah, pug, true, exactly, yeah. It's a mix between a French Bulldog, pug, and a Cavalier King Charles. No, this dog is Riz. It's not Sudo. Nice. Hope you will like it. Have you started already? Let's test the views. So we have this one. We have this one. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, cool. So now we need a way to switch between them. Const change view equal index. View settings. I'm going to use the index. And when we do that, we change to that view using the same code, I guess. Maybe we see. And we can call it already with, I don't know, 0. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that was a good idea, Anto. We will start with this one, which is great. And it's going to switch to another one. Let's add some debug UI. I want to create objects. I'm sorry, I need to create objects. I don't like the spaghetti code. Settings. View.change. And we change to this one. Did I break something? Yeah, obviously. Settings. Yeah, okay. So, UI, we need a folder. Let's try to do it on our own. Type. Folder. Title. View. Open. True. Label. Yeah, it was label. Alright, cool. We need to add a special one, which is a button, I guess. Type button. I think this one is title. We do label, but you see. Test. Oh no, it was label. My bad. So we have many of them. I think it's on click. On. No, it's not it. Verify button. Ah. Where are the events? I lost the events. UEFI events. Okay, I need like this one. Can I get the code somewhere? Ah, that bothered me. And the search is broken. What's happening? I cannot scroll. What the hell? Okay, the CSS is in line. So it's cool to have an example, but we don't have the code. can't remember. It's yeah, GUIFI. That's it. But start to bother me, so next time we will try another one. I don't know how to listen to the event. There is on change. I think there is on click. We can try on click. On click. Yes. No, it's not that. Why would you have an example without the code? Are people supposed just to guess it? Click, you think? Oh, let's try. Nah. On action. I don't know. No, that's not it. Damn. Okay, let me find another project. I did it. It was for... No, I can't tell because it's a secret project for now. Button. Oh no, it's not a GUIFI. Damn. Maybe this project. Sorry. It's not interesting. Ah, got it. Button. It's action. Just action. Oh, I wasn't that far. Okay. So for each one of our settings, we are going to call the action. It's going to be for in. I said in. Like that. It's going to be change. C'est bien, bonhomme. C'est bien. Ouais, on va bientôt se promener. And we will call view change that one. Okay, so this. Okay, nice. We can change between those. We need to add some fade. Should we use GSAP? Or maybe... By the way, let's share the links. Here. No, they are not here. I got them here. Can I share this? How it will look? Will it look? Nah. If you want to test it live. And let's push that. Yeah, but actually no, it's gonna be instant. I need to animate the fade. We will not move to the next position. It will do fade out, fade in. I know it's less like fun, but it will look better, I guess. And anyway, we will be able to move the camera using the parallax. Let's add the parallax. We will add the fade later. Fade is not going to be that interesting. Okay, orbit controls. We can remove this one. Maybe we need to add a way to activate and deactivate the orbit control. Can we do that? I think we have like a enable on the orbit control. Yeah, enable. Okay, cool. We can use this. So let's keep it so that we can toggle it whenever we want. Folder. Yeah, let's add one. We don't need those. It's gonna be camera. Checkbox. And the checkbox is going to be applied. So it's going to be the camera folder. The object is then going to be the orbit controls. It's going to be enable type checkbox, label orbit controls, enable. We don't need those. I'm not sure. I think we will have troubles by doing so. So now I can move, and if we... Oh, what's happening? Yeah, now we can't move anymore. Oh, never mind, seems to be working fine. Too bad the label is a bit too big. It's okay, we don't care about that. Tell me if the sound is too loud. It's a bit loud. Oh really? What phone? We are not going to do like a good performances experience. That's a good thing. It's not for a client, so I don't really care about performances. As long as it's working on most devices, I'm good with it. Fix with the camera position? I don't get it. Fix with the camera position? Like always in front of the camera? 700? Really? No way. Not already. Not already. Oh, you're right. Not already. That's crazy. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, I know. 700 in live. I don't know if it's possible for development thing. I mean, gaming, why not? If your name is Shroud or, I don't know, ACU. But not development. Not yet. Maybe one day. Not rotating, always facing... Yeah, you can tell the object to look at the camera. And the Z-axis of the object will be always toward the camera. And if you want, you can like rotate inside if it's not the Z. Yeah, we always use look at with the camera because it's kind of logical to have the camera look at something, but you can tell an object to look at another object. Like it can be, I don't know, a turret, an enemy, or whatever, a cannon. Target, yeah. It's a vector 3 for the look at. And every object can have one. Okay, Reese is sleeping, that's perfect. Okay, so now we can toggle it. Let's disable it. Enable pulse at start. Okay, so next part, I wanted to add some parallax. Parallax is not that easy to create. There are so many ways of doing that. I'm gonna put the code over here. Yeah, I guess. Change parallax. I think I will. Let me think about it. Oh yeah, no, it's a bit more complicated because I'm not doing it like this usually. By the way, it means little Frenchinza. Not exactly this way, but I don't know. How should we do it? I wanted to do a translates X and Y. Maybe that's not a good idea. Well, let's start. We'll see where it goes. Doucement. The idea? Oh, it's look at that. I just go on Pinterest, Dribble, Behance. I watch movies, I watch TV shows, and when I see something cool, I just try to recreate. I bench, I find some examples. And I just try to recreate, and if it looks good, I continue. If it looks bad, I stop or I try something else. A pivot point, yeah, obviously. Yeah, it depends on the origin. Like if your object, if your geometry is offset regarding the origin, then it will move something like that. And if it's like this, it will move something like that. Will you use WebGL over CSS to create an infinite draggable grid area? Maybe. That's depend on the grid, that depends on the performances of the website. Not necessarily, but maybe. As smooth as possible? Yeah, in that case, maybe you should go WebGL. No Three.js, like maybe you can do with native WebGL. You can actually use 2D libraries like Pixie.js. How is going the pet sitting? Oh, very well. I have a Reese today. On Monday, I will have another dog for 10 days. A bit later, another dog for again 10 days. Ok, viens par là. Viens par là, mon boy. Viens par là, mon boy. Viens par là. Viens par là. Viens par là. Non, non. He needs a lot of attention, which is why I'm keeping it. His owner cannot keep it all the time because she needs to go to work like maybe 2 or 3 days a week. And the boy needs someone to take care of him. You good boy. 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 Take that bait. It's a little too big though. We don't know why actually. Oh, sorry boy. Yeah, true. You can use groups and move the groups. Move the objects inside the group and rotate the group, yeah. Riz. R-E-E-S-E. His name is Riz. Okay, let's continue. What was I doing? Yeah, the parallax. So when we move right, it's 0.5 and minus 0.5. All right, let's test the Y2 just in case. I'm going to lower the sound just a bit. All right, and change. So, yeah, that's cool. So yeah, we are going to have a problem. Like if I translate the camera inside the tick function, you will see that it's not going to work. Well, camera dot translate y, and I put the view parallax y. You will see this. It just left because we are always moving in a direction, and even if it's a low value, it will go there. So we need to put back the initial value every time we are doing this. And to do that, we need to save the camera position. Yeah, I don't want to do that because it's not like object oriented, but still we have to do that. So, camera position. Maybe I will change that later. I don't need that anymore. 8 map to generate. Oh yeah, obviously. And it's even better because if you use an 8 map, you just generate it through, I don't know, a software, or maybe you can generate it in WebGL once and then you use it, and it's much better in terms of performances because here I'm using a Perlin noise on each frame, on each vertex, and it's bad for performances. So if you use an 8 map, it's better. But I'm animating it, so it's a bit easier. Yeah, kind of cheating. So camera position, x0, y0, z0. Oh, I don't like that. Let's create object. I need to do that. Camera is going to be a bit messy. Camera.position. Camera is going to be the instance. Like that. Camera instance. Yup. Camera, camera, camera. I'm breaking everything. Don't worry, it's gonna be fine. The bokeh, we need to send the instance, not the object. Then, in the view, we are going to change those. Yeah, that's the interesting part, actually. Let's keep it how it was before. And I'm going to remove this because it's not working, and I can put this here in case I want. Okay, should be back. Yeah, so it's working again. Hey, boy. Now, camera equal. We can set the position like this. New vector 3. 3 vector 3. Sorry, boy. We have to walk the dog. I think we will finish this afternoon. It's complicated to explain without being able to move it. If you don't set YX, you will finish like if you move. Look at my head. If I move like like this. No, like this. If you, let's say you want to watch something on the over there. First you move on the Y, and then you move on the X. If you do X and Y, you will do X and Y. Is no, X and Y. And see, my head is going to be like oblique. Hey boy. So it's just to prevent that. In video games, in FPS games, in real life, first you rotate on the Y and then on the X. If you don't do that, you will end up with a tilt camera like this. Okay, so we have the position here. We can use the rotation. Yeah, I don't think I will need this one, but let's put it either way. We need to apply the reorder on the rotation here too. And now, when we change it here, we need to change it. Attention. Like that. So now it's going to be not the right position. Cool. And we are going to use those information to update it on each frame. So camera instance.position copy camera position. So in a way we are adding an extra step, but now it's being updated on each frame, and now we can translate it. Camera position, no, camera instance, translate X, view, parallax, target, X, I don't know. Is it? Oh, maybe I didn't. Oh, yeah, I'm not doing the right thing here. We can do that. Okay. Ole. The mistake. Can we go back to the original view? Yeah, you can change it. See? Okay, so it's weird, and I think it's because we are look at. No, there is no look at. Why is it rotating like that? I think it's the orbit control. Yeah, messing up with everything, just as I thought. Yeah, see? The orbit control is messing up with everything. I don't like that. Even if you disable it, it will mess up with the thing. Maybe I can just like prevent the update if it's not enabled. Let's see. Yeah, okay. That's weird. Maybe we need to do a pull request about that. So if it's enabled, All right, that's better. So we can do it on the X, we can do it on the Y. We will play with the values a bit later. The Y is going to be inverted. Yeah, classic mistake. So we can put like a minus. No, it's not here. It's there. In OBS. Oh, sorry. I was way too focused. Ah, the original view. Okay. I thought you were talking about the camera. My bad. So yeah, it's working. We need to change the rotation too. Okay, sleeping again. So yeah, I can't copy, so we are going to do that here. Euler.x equal camera rotation. No, it's rotation. X, then the Y. Okay, it's working. So we have the parallax, so it's not great here, but here it's better. Let's play with the intensity of it. First, it might depend on that. Update projection matrix. Oh yeah, it's not camera aspect, it's instance. Yeah, almost always. I don't think I ever had to change this order. Always Y, X, Z. Oh, actually, it's working well. I'm not going to change it according to the screen ratio. We can play with the intensity. The intensity might depend on the view. We'll see that a bit later. Yeah, maybe I will add it there. Multiplier 0.5. Didn't work. Multiplier 0.1. Oh, it's only working on... Oh yeah, okay. 0.4. Okay, that's cool. So, should it move toward the cursor or the opposite? Always the same question. Yeah, like this. Or like this. I never know which one is the best. Feels a bit weird, but usually it's just because you get used to it. Let's keep like that for now. And what we need now is obviously some easing, because I already prepared it actually. I need a multiplier too for the easing. Multiplier, maybe 0.1, I don't know, we'll see. So let's apply some easing inside the tick function. So it's the destination minus the initial value, multiply by the delta time, multiply by the multiplier, which is logical. So the X, the Y, and now we can use those instead of the direct target, and we should get a smooth, way too smooth. Yeah, it's just too smooth. 0.1, maybe, I don't know, 4. Yeah, let's go. Intensity was a bit too high. 0.25 maybe. New journey to dev. Ah, yeah, I get that a lot. Let's make a quick version. I went to a digital school named Ethic, and I studied as a designer because I thought it was easy. which was absolutely not easy. And still it was fine, but I started coding in Flash, and Flash was just awesome. You could create like small games. Then Flash died, so I went into JavaScript. I started as a full stack developer, front developer, back developer, then full stack developer, then some creative coding and WebGL. I went to Usic, it's a French digital agency, and Immersive Garden, a French digital studio, and then freelancing, and then Three.js Journey, and that's all. Okay, so it's working pretty well. I think I will invert it. Should I? Should I? Where is it? Mouse move. Yeah, I prefer this one. It feels more logical. But now it's too big when you're close. So yeah, I need to change the multiplier according to the current view. There's going to be parallax multiplier. No, not parallax. Yeah, parallax multiplier. The default one was 0.25. And we can create other ones like, I don't know, 0.15, like that. And when we change the view, we need to change this one, and it's going to be the view settings. Yeah, I guess. So now we have a big one, and if we change to this one, is it smaller? I think so. 0.05. Yeah, I guess it's working. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's push this. As always, you can test live. I should put the link here. Font, I will put it on the top. Links. Actually, there's only one link. Because I'm not going to share the GitHub because it's probably seen on GitHub. Actually, I can. Maybe you have the code, you don't know where it comes from. Where is it? It's there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here you go. It's working. Nice. So we have the camera orientation on user input. Ah yes, I need to test the bloom. Someone yesterday wanted to see how it goes with the bloom, but currently we have like performances issues. So bloom for real project, for real client, it's no go. Like if you add bloom, you have a very simple scene with a very simple code, or it's not for a public website. Screaming, I don't know why. Or it's just for fun. Ah yeah, I wanted to play with the focus. How should we do that? How should we do that? We have a focus value there. We need maybe to play with the sinus, maybe combine two sinus so that we have some organic animation. What kind of animation should we have? Maybe more like someone trying to find the right focus. In that case, I might need a GSAP. You know what? Let's add GSAP. We're going to save the current one. View current. We go new. And when we change it, we save it at the end. Few settings. All right. Bloom with particles. Oh yeah. For the win. Camera, bokeh, parallax, and we save. Let me check Twitter quick. Nice. I forgot to put the video. I made a video. Wait. It's going to be an answer. Oh, nice. World Machine, yeah, I've heard of. I need to try it. Make me plus. Yeah, it was William with I don't remember which were the other ones in that team, but yeah, I remember this one. It was like the very old Grow, not the last one. Yeah, it's cool. I like terrains. Actually, one of the projects I will do live is about a terrain. I might use some software. We'll see. I want to create like something very realistic. We'll see where it goes. Might be a bad idea as always. We'll see. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the focus. We need to play with the focus. We have GSAP. We can import it like any library. I think it's... Is it like that? Yeah, okay. So what we'll do for this one, maybe we can put like in the bokeh part. Is it far enough? No, because we don't have the view yet. I don't want to add it there. Oh, there's no choice, we have to. Focus animation. Yeah, I don't know. Const change focus. And we call it once, change focus. This will animate the focus on the bokeh pass. Music sounds like a lavender town. It was the focus, yeah, that's the one. Focus, let's put a duration, like random duration. Math random, maybe a bit more, 0.5, plus this math random, multiply by 0.5. Same for the delay, I will tweak those anyway. And on complete, we call it again. You will see why. The idea is that it's going to change every random times toward another value close to the first one we had. Change focus, I guess I can set it right here. And I need to animate the value to I don't need to animate this one. I can keep this one just in case. To the view settings, which I save in the current. Yeah, that's it. So value, view current focus plus map random minus 0.5. I don't know, it's probably too much. Yeah, it's going to be too much. Let's put 0.2. I don't know what's the lowest value. Yeah, we'll see. Change focus. Let's test. I don't think it will work right now. Change focus. Change focus. Oh, it's working. Is it? Let's. Oh yeah, it's working. Nice. I don't know if you can see a lot of it from the video, but it seems to be working well. Okay, let's add kneading. So what's the new way? It's power, like 2, in, out. We need more duration. We need a bigger delay. Could you share the video link? I've seen videos so many times. What video? Ah, the grow. Nice. Glad you like it. Yeah, they did some mountains with the snow. It was really cool. Okay, that's nice. Is it? Maybe even more slower, like the duration might be even bigger. Yeah, something like that. At least 0.5, maximum of 3.5. Let's try other views, by the way. Oh, okay, so this one is a bit different. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, let's see.
Vos coûts médias ne s'attendent.
Yeah, you go. That's some WebGL. Can we have the project like live? Oh no, we can't. And it's in local. There are better views. Maybe they showed it at start. Yeah, see? That's cool. Really cool. And I did that just for the grow. It wasn't like a client project. It was just for the show. Which is even better. It is live? No, I mean, yes, the techniques, yes, but this specific project was just for fun. I'm quite sure of it. Actually, I have doubts now. Okay, cool. We can keep it that way, and let's push it. Animate focus. All right, next part is about the fade. We need a fade between the view changes, and then we are going to animate the view changes. Yeah, because right now it's a bit too harsh. So how can we do that? First, the fade. I could add another plane, but adding another plane, it will be bad for performances because we will have like two planes in front of the camera. Though it's not a huge thing because the shader will be very simple. Maybe I can combine them inside the vignette. I can try. It's just always a bit hard. Yeah, let's try that. I will name it like overlay maybe, and we will put it there. Hey, did you see this one? Also very impressive. Oh yeah, this one is crazy. The dude is almost from nowhere. Like I never heard of this guy, and he's creating like crazy stuff like this. It's so cool. And you have like different version of this. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, yeah, look at that. Maybe we'll try something like that at a point. And I think the performances are fine. For those techniques, the performances are great. Even if it's not like best frame rate, still it's good. Yeah. Oh, okay, awesome. Okay, nice. I will check that. Glad you like the course. You Ray. Yeah. Yeah, nice. See, he deserves way more. Follow this guy. Follow him. Let's put it in the chat. Okay, back to the fade. I don't like to do that. I know I'm bad at it. Like combining two overlay techniques. We need a fade and we need this vignette, but still, let's do it. So we have this. Let's decide on a fade, like float U overlay alpha. I will change it to a uniform at a point. And then the alpha would also depend on the overlay, and the color needs to change too. Yeah, that's why I don't like it. It's a mix between alphas and colors, and yeah, I'm bad at it. So alpha is going to be alpha multiplied by this, maybe. And it's already not that. Plus. Yeah, maybe. Looks like it. I need to make sure that this doesn't go below 0 and above 0. So I'm going to clamp it. Hello? No. And otherwise, the clamp, I think it's the value then the edges. I always get this one wrong. GLSL. Yeah, the value then the edges, which are not called edges, but who cares? So we have this, we have the overlay. So if we have a bigger overlay, it's gonna be like that. If we have a small overlay, it's gonna be like that. All right. But it looks like it's animated inside. Ah, yeah, I don't like that. Okay, maybe it will work. Then we have the overlay color. Maybe I should add like a camera for dogs, like below. It's going to take like most of the screen. 0, 0, 0, and we are going to mix it. So it's going to be vec3 color equal mix between this color and this color. Yeah, I need to do it after the alpha. I don't know, it's a mess. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it's a bad idea. Anyway, if I can't get it, we will create a new plane. Ça va, bonhomme? Ça va, bonhomme? Ok, vas-y, viens. Viens faire ça. Ok. Ça va, mon pote. Ça va, mon pote. You need to work. Ça va, je te promets. Chien vision. Look at this little boy. No, not. Ah, look at his face. Ça va, mon pote. Ça va, mon pote. Non. Okay, I was doing the mix. And the mix is going to be with the color. I need to rename those according to this. And this is going to be the vignette strength. And the alpha will be the vignette strength plus the overlay alpha. And the mix will be between the vignette strength, and we can use it there. Maybe. Nope. Oh yeah, no, it's a vec3. Oh, again. Yeah, I need to clean. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the vignette. Okay, so now if we have a bigger overlay here, we still have the vignette. Yeah, it's working. See? Like if I have an overlay alpha to 1, so nothing is visible, but still we have the vignette. And if we run an overlay at 3, okay, it's working. And I can change the color if you want like a red overlay. I guess it's working. If I put 0, I hope it will be like fully... Oh no. Ah, we can see some red on this one. We're not supposed to see some red. Yeah, because I'm mixing according to that. Multiply by this one, maybe? Quite the opposite. 1.0 minus this one. Wait a minute. Is it working? Nah, there's a problem here. See, I can... Yeah, no, it's not it. Let me think. It's supposed to be 0. Why do we have... So we have the overlay here. And if I put overlay alpha 0, it's going to be 0 of the overlay. Oh, so we get this one. Yeah, I'm not sure. If we use the overlay alpha there... Yeah, I don't know. Let's test stuff. 1.0 minus that. So we should have the exact same result. All right. If we have a big overlay. Okay, it's working. And we multiply this like that. Oh yeah, it's back. Okay. But now, moment of truth. Yeah, it seems to be working. Anyway, the overlay will be black. I mean, not sure, but probably. We'll see. Okay, so if it's 0. All right. Got it. So, how many are we? I don't know if I can see that inside OBS. I don't know if I can see 66. That's crazy. User in chat. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's a way. Chat settings. Oh, so many options. Stream information. No, I don't think I can get this. Okay, anyway. Let's rename those. Because those are now for vignette. So this is going to be the overlay. Yeah, let's mess with everything. Vignette. I'm gonna rename this one overlay. This one too, overlay. Did I break everything? No, that's great. I needed to change. Ah, yeah, the uniforms. So this one is going to be vignette. Yeah, let's change all together. Wait, why don't I have this one? Oh yeah, we're updating here. Overlay color. Oh yeah. I changed the music, sorry. Vignette color. U color is going to be U vignette color. Multiplier is going to be U vignette multiplier. Yeah, boy, I'm coming. U offset. U vignette offset. Color multiplier offset. Color multiplier offset. Oh. Yeah, if possible, try to combine them. Much better for performances. Now I just have one plane that is handling the overlay and also the vignette. Now we can add those. So we have the color, we have the alpha. Yeah, let's add the color first. What's going to be the name? Overlay? Yeah, let's use overlay. Oops. Alright, you don't need React for my course, by the way. I don't know if it's related. Vignette overlay. It's gonna be black by default. Still, we are going to be able to tweak it. Here. There. Salut Manu. No, I'm just caught up. Oh, okay. Still, you can use you can use Three.js with React. I don't know if you know about the React 3 fiber, but we don't do that in the course. So we have the color, the overlay color. It's not linked to our shader yet, but we are going to be able to change it. Label color. Oh yeah, let's change this one to overlay color. And this one has to change too. Yeah, it's vignette color. Clear color, overlay color, vignette color. Okay, perfect. So now that we have this one, we can set it to the uniforms. It's a bit long, but right now we are into details. And we are almost done. Where is it? It's there, okay. Overlay color. We can change the name here. Oops. And if I remove from here, it should work. Okay, cool. We can change this one and see if I update it. Does our shader get updated? Yay! Nice. So overlay alpha. It's gonna be broken. Don't worry. By default, it's going to be 0. Oh, actually, let's put 1 and fade it out once we have the first paint, so that we don't have the WebGL showing up like too fast at the beginning. I will put like 0.5 for now, but we will animate it at start. And then we can add the tweak, though it's not that interesting. Oh, it's supposed to be working. Yeah, I probably forgot something. Overlay alpha, overlay, it's not a vec3. React 3 fiber? I think it's great. Like you can create stuff super fast, but it's not for me because the more control I have, the better, even if it's more work. But there are limits. Like I would not do like 3D using a native WebGL. Obviously, we use a library. Maybe at a point I will create my own library, but Three.js is fine. So I can add some layers, abstraction layers when it's really too hard. But React 3 Fiber adds another layer above a layer. When you have a bug, it's gonna be a problem because there are gonna be so many reasons why you have a bug, possible reasons, so it's harder. Still, it's so fast. Like with just like few tags, you can get an experience. So it's great. I think it's great, but I won't use it. Hey, boy. What time is it? Oh, okay. Let's finish at least the overlay, the animation, and we will finish the project later. I need to walk the dog, so... So the alpha, yes, it seems to be working. Let's animate like the offset, maybe? I don't know. U, overlay, alpha, yeah. From 0 to 1. With enough precision, and it should be fine. Yeah, see? We can fade it. All right, cool. So the first thing we will do is wait for the next frame and then animate it. Like we put it to 1. The first frame might take a while because the GPU has to load a lot of things. We just do window, request animation frame. We wait 1 frame and then we animate JSAP 2. Oh no, not 2. It's going to be, I can take it from here. This duration, let's put like a long duration just to see if it's working well. Value 1. All right, let's see. It's not working. Overlay material uniform, oh no, it's 0, my bad. Obviously. Yeah, nice, that's perfect. We can do it, actually not faster. We need maybe to add ease. So if it goes from 1 to 0, yeah, we can put a power, it should be fine. Power 2. Let's just test the out. Yeah, usually it's just the out, that's important. But it really depends on so many factors. Okay, that one is fine. Let's add just a small delay so that we can enjoy it better. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. And then we can change the background to have the exact same background. Actually, should we change it? Dark is maybe too dark. We can put something like same kind of purple we had. Shit, I lost it. Oh, there. My screen is not well réglé, set up. The colors are a bit off. Maybe I should move it to the Mac. Just wait. Yeah, this value is fine. Where is it? Here. Hey, boy. Boy. Ça va, mon pote? And then we can change the background on the CSS part so that we have a seamless transition between the non-WebGL and WebGL part. Doucement. Doucement. Yeah, it needs to go out. Yay. That's cool. Ah, but we have the... We have the vignette that shows up a bit fast. So maybe we can play with the vignette too. Vignette. I think we can play with the offset. If I'm not on the right project, it's not going to work. Yeah, that's the one. So if we have a vignette that is way too high, yeah, see? I can just maybe, yeah, exactly. If we go from -1 to the default one, it should be fine. So -1 to this. So we are going to animate the U vignette offset with the same delay, with the same timing. And it's going to be from -1 to this value. Let's see. Yeah, nice. Now we have a seamless transition. That's pretty good. We have some focus issues. I don't know what's happening exactly. Maybe I broke something. Yeah, see? Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Okay, that's cool. We have the overlay. Oh yeah, now that we have the overlay, we can do some better transitions between the views. That was the point initially, so we got a bit lost, but yeah, that was the point. Sometimes you have to spend times on the details, but everything is perfect. Just making sure he's not peeing on the balcony. Yeah, let's finish the overlay animation, and then I will walk the dog. And then I will do another stream this afternoon, I guess. Maybe. I want to finish this project. And I will stream this weekend too, don't worry. So, we need to animate the overlay alpha. I think it's going to be quite fast to do that. It's on the view part. Yeah, when we want to change it, first we animate it. Actually, we already animated it. Yeah, let's take this code. So we animate. I'm going to put some line breaks everywhere because this part is going to be a bit long. Something like that. We don't need the delay. The duration can be, I don't know, 1.25 maybe. So the value has to go to 1 so that we see the overlay. I'm going to do a in-out just in case. In-out. When we change, so now it's all black. Yeah, I think it's working. And when it's done, we change everything. We can save it. I don't know if we save it now or later. Yeah, we see. And we animate it back. So show overlay, hide overlay. Yeah, boy, wait. Hide overlay. Like that. 0.1, maybe slightly faster. Oops. Focus of nil. Focus of nil. 875. Oh yeah, because we don't have one yet. Yeah, I need to save it first. Inside this, I guess. Nope. What did I forget? Complete. Log. Complete. If you guys know what I forgot, maybe. So we have the complete being triggered. The value should go back to this. On the overlay alpha. What's happening? Actually, there's another problem that because we are calling this, the view settings is there. Oh, that's so weird. Why is it not working? Is it some scope issue? View settings. No, that's not the problem. Oh, it was. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's cool. It's strange because the vignette seems to be animated. Yeah, not a big fan of that. Maybe we'll tweak that later. Okay, that's cool. What we can do now? Oh, we need to make the debug optional. Should we? No, I will let it. I think it's an experiment. Maybe we can close it actually. UI5. I don't know how to close it. Closed. Nope. What the? Okay. That's not helping. All right. See you. Bye. Yeah, I don't know how to close it. QFI JS close at start. Yeah, no, I don't think I will find what I want. Okay, what I can do is just check if there are methods on it. Like if I do window GUI equal GUI. GUI dot toggle remove register. How do we close it? No. Yeah, I really don't know. Panel. I knew I did it once, but I don't remember. Ah, toggle visible. Panel, so GUI. Panel, toggle visible, maybe? Yay! Nice, so that we have it closed by default, so that we can enjoy a bit more. Oh, what was that? Oh, I broke something. Is it because of the toggle visible? Yeah, I don't like that. Alright, maybe we need to put the values. Yeah, I think it's because the change messed up with the initial animation. Yeah. Wait, I'm coming back. Open force? Yeah, maybe. Actually, we have a problem with the change. Because we are changing later. Yeah, and this messed up with the rest. And if we don't call it... Yeah, we don't have one. Let's use a 0. J'arrive, bonhomme, j'arrive. Okay. All right. And we can add those at the beginning, maybe. Yeah, not a big fan of that. Okay. It's a material theme. Quite sure of it. I always have doubts, but I think it's material theme. Yeah. Material theme.
我感觉我做涂鸦是想把它传播给大众，让大众更深刻的正确的分辨它，然后我通过对做涂鸦的感觉。
Okay, the point of this was to have some changes every once in a while, so we are going to do that here. I don't like this. We apply the parallax. View change. Maybe we need to create like some apply, like this. And in the apply, we call those. So when we change, there is an animation, and then it's been applied there. Yeah. View apply. And here we can call it from the beginning, like this, like this. Yeah. Okay, that's better. So now what we can do is do a change to a random other value. So we need to save those. So we have different settings. We can loop. View index equals 0. We go to this one. We can update it here too. View index equal index, just in case we need it. And what we are going to do is every once in a while, window set interval. We use a delay. Yeah, let's do an interval instead. Should be fine. Every 5 seconds, we will do a view.change +1. Yeah, that's cool. Check that out. Five is way too fast. Let's put 10. Ten might be too long. Let's put, I don't know, yes, I'm coming. Yeah, boy. Attends. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Yeah, it's nice. Let's push it if you guys want to test. And I need to walk the dog. It's gonna be sparkle, add, view, transition. Push. Yeah, boy. Still no bloom. And the presets, and we will be fine. Let's finish that this afternoon. Calm down. All right, cool. Do you know someone we could raid? I don't know many people on Twitch. Let's see what we got. If you have like suggestions, please tell me. Oops. Position of undefined. Oh, wait, there's an issue. I don't loop. Percent modulo. View settings, point length. Something like that. Okay, let's do a quick one. I need to put that here, maybe. Yeah. And it's fixed. Bug. Yeah, that's cool. All right. In that case, I think we are done. Thank you for watching, and I will probably do one this afternoon so that we can finish this project and start a new one. I have so many ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.